Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am Rajnikant and today's video we're gonna discuss Kafka Producer, right? Kafka Producer with Java configuration based, right? So with Java configuration, how will create a Kafka Producer and will post messages to Kafka topic, right? So we're gonna see that one. So this is not that entire end-to-end example like in my earlier video I have uploaded both Kafka Producer and Kafka Consumer. So this is a separate video for Kafka Producer, and for Kafka Consumer also I will upload a video with Java configuration based, right? Before proceeding to this video, to this example, if you want to try this one in your system, then you must install Apache Kafka server in your local system, and then you can proceed with this example, right? So for that one, already I have uploaded a video how you will install Apache Kafka in your local. So I will give all those video links in my description section. You can go through those stuffs, then you can watch this video, right? Okay, before proceeding to this today's topic, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it immediately, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will get all the notifications from my side, right? So let's start today's topic, right? So what is Apache Kafka, right? Apache Kafka is a distributed messaging system, right? In lot of examples we'll see real-time scenarios like real-time data processing and post notification, and to decouple multiple systems we are using Apache Kafka, right? So this is a messaging system, right? Let's jump into directly program on coding, and we'll see how we can write a producer which will post Kafka messages to Kafka topic, right? So uh, how I'll post? So I will develop a producer with a REST endpoint, I mean REST controller. So we'll call to the REST controller from Postman, and we'll send some messages from there, and we'll receive in a controller, and from that one we'll call this producer to push that messages to Kafka topic, right? So let's start. Okay, so already I have opened my IntelliJ IDEA. Let's create a new project. Obviously we'll take a Spring Boot, and this is IntelliJ IDEA, and Spring Assistant is the plugin I have downloaded, and this is the community versions. IntelliJ IDEA community versions I am using. If you are having STS or Eclipse, that is also fine. Java 8 will take, though I have installed Java 15 in my system. com.java shastra artifact. What is this? Kafka Producer Java config. config config based. Let's copy this one and we'll put over here project name as well. Demo project for Spring Boot, Apache Kafka Producer producer. com dot package name will take. Let's move to next. So here we'll choose the artifacts. So what are the starters we'll choose? We'll choose web, as we'll develop some REST endpoints, Spring Web. Then we'll take Kafka. So here I will gonna develop only producer, and I will show you whether that message produced in the topic or not, right? So you need to install Apache Kafka in your local system, and that video is already there in the description section with link. It will take some time to generate that project. Right, so let's wait for some time. It's downloading those dependencies. Right, so someone requested me to develop independent programs like one program for producer and another program for consumer. That's why I'm developing this one with Java config, right? So already it's downloaded those dependencies. Let's see what are those starters are there. So starter web, you can see Java version 1.8 and Kafka, right? So already done. Let's see what the file folder structure, main Java, and if you see here Kafka, this is the main class, right? So first what we'll do, let's create all those packages, right? Package, what we need, controller, right? And we'll develop with Java config base, right? Okay, then what, one package for config, right? That config file will place, and one more is producer, either producer or Kafka producer, that is fine. Let's first develop that configuration file, right? uh, this is Java class Kafka config, right? So the first thing, at the rate configuration, so that it will identify that this is a configuration class. And here what we will do, so right, so we need what, producer, right? So that producer, how it will identify where is that Kafka server or Kafka server details, right? What is the server port and how you want to put that message, I mean what is the serialization, right? And what is the deserialization process, so how do you want to serialize and how do you want to deserialize, right? So those stuffs we need to provide here, right? So here what I will do, just see producer factory, so here string and string, then producer factory, and we'll create this as a bean, right? At the red bean, sorry. And here what we'll do, right? So here we'll create a hash map of string and object, right? config details equal to new hash map. This is interface based coding, right? So we are not taking directly hash map, we are taking map, right? Superclass reference can hold child class object. This is that child class hash map, and this is that map, right? Interface, this is that implementation one, right? So uh I mean just I am explaining that oops one, so this is very important. And here we'll put those properties, put what will put, producer config, this one dot here fast bootstrap server config will do, right? And here we need to provide that bootstrap server. So ideally we should not do like this directly, I mean this here we should not put directly string, we need to have some constant and we need to pass that constant. Otherwise we need to put these properties, I mean those servers and all server details and all into some properties file, and from there we need to read it here, right? But for POC purpose I am doing it here. You can do that one later, will you can read it from there, right? So next what we will do, next we will put how you want to serialize, right? So again producer config dot key serializer dot, sorry, key serializer class config, right? So what do you want, string serializer, string sorry, From here we'll take string serializer. String serializer. String serializer dot class. Okay. Then deserializer also you want, right? Sorry. Deserializer why want? This is, I mean, producer, right? So producer we are not deserialize anything. This is key serializer, right? So in Kafka will two things will be there, right? Headers will be there, key will be there, and value will be there, right? In that message, value means, I mean, that message will be in key value pair, right? So key will be there, value will be there, and here headers also we can pass, right? And here value serializer class config string serializer. Okay, what else we want? This thing, this thing is enough, right? And what we'll do, we'll return new default Kafka. Is it producer factory? Yes, default Kafka producer factory, and here we'll pass this map. Okay, so here with this bean it will create a control alt L. So with this bean it will create a what spring bean. I mean it will create a spring bean with this thing, right? Now let's move to, we'll generate that Kafka template, right? So public KAFK Kafka template. So what is that key value? String as well as string, right? It will take some time. Kafka template, and this is one way, right? So how we'll create spring bean, like component and all, component at the red service, like here bean. So if you annotate at the red bean on a method level, whatever that object you are returning, it will register in that IOC container as a what? As a bean. And here return new Kafka template, right? Return new Kafka template, and here we'll call this producer factory, right? Here we go, all done, right? All setup done. Control alt L. Now with quickly we'll write the next things, right? So here you got it, right? So what I have done over here, just I have created a producer factory where we have given that all the details where our Kafka server is there. So here that server details already I have. Where is that one? Localhost 9092. This is the default Kafka server. So I have done here. This is string, no? Okay, here we go. Now this is that configuration details done, right? Now let's write a producer, Kafka producer or Kafka message producer. Definitely it will take some time to write the code, right? At the rate what will type, some service will take, or component also you can take. Control alt L, and here what we'll do, we'll auto void what? Kafka template of string Kafka template. So that bean is already registered with IOC container. With auto void it will inject, that is known as dependency injection, right? And next what we'll do, we'll write some method, public void push message, right? And here what we'll do, so let me take here string messages, and here with this Kafka template, simple Kafka template dot send, and you can pass that message over here directly. String also you can pass. Oh, topic also you want, right? Otherwise how it will know where to send, right? So topic also we need. So in Kafka you can send headers as well. So already I have uploaded video and description section, I have that link. You can see how to send headers as well, right? So what is the topic? So here quick start events, this is that my topic, and here we go. Done. Control Alt L. Now what will develop? Controller, some sample controller will develop pretty much quickly. Will develop Kafka controller, Kafka controller. So add the rest controller, this will make this class as a rest controllers. Let's develop some uh public string what, send message, and here at the rate post mapping, let's provide some value, publish, and here at the rate request mapping, at the rate request mapping, shall we do like this, message, and here string message, sorry, request mapping, or how it should be request param, no, request param, right? So we have done, and here we want what is that class we want, right? That service Kafka message producer, and here will auto wire, right? So it will inject over here, that control alt L, and simple we'll need to call dot publish message, and here this message body, right? Control alt L. Okay, so here some dummy message I will send, message published. I will show you in that Kafka topic, right? Return over here, right? Okay, so let me explain you what I have done again. So Kafka, this is the configuration thing, Kafka configuration. So here I have defined all those configurations and created a bin for Kafka template, right? Done, right? And then I have written a controller, sorry, Kafka message producer, where simply I have annotated with at the right component, and here I am injecting this Kafka template, and here I have taken one method push message, and in push message I am calling this Kafka template, and send has it is a overloaded method. Different methods are there, different overloaded methods are there, you can explore them, right? So here quick start event, this is the my topic name, and this is the message I am sending, right? And then Kafka controller, one controller I have developed. So what I am doing here, just receiving this message and sending to this Kafka producer, right? And producer will send this message to topic. So let me run this one. So before running this one, I need to start my Kafka server, right? Control alt L. Okay, so let's go to my folder where that uh, Kafka is there, right? So here we go. From here we need to open cmd, and first we'll start zookeeper, right? So let's start this zookeeper. You can watch how to install Kafka and all. So I have given all those commands and everything there. On it to vary, it's always to have Kafka in your local to do some POC and to learn more, right? Then this is Kafka server started. Okay, done. Now let's okay, before I will show you is there any message or not in the topic, right? So what is that? For that one command was there. Acha, is that present over here, right? So this is that command, right? With this command it will show if any messages are there in the topic quick start events, right? So let me hit this command from this command prompt and we'll see before pushing any message, right? What happened? Okay, okay, let me remove this max one. Kafka console consumer.bat. From where I am running? Oh, it should run, right? Oh, my bad. So I am running. I am running from. This is the home page, right? So from here, be in Windows. In Windows, that bad file is there, right? So I need to run from there. Now it will show. Just see. No messages will be there here. Leader not available. Leader not available. Something is coming. I also do not know what exactly this one. Okay, let's see. Process log total zero message. I mean, no message were there, right? So send some let's send some messages and we're gonna see, right? Okay, let's go to here and let me start that application. Run this one. Okay, okay, it's running, right? So wait, who is port 8080? Default port, right? So I have not given any port, so that's why it's running on 8080. Okay, so this postman, let me take this 8080. Publish is that URL already have given, and okay, this is that message I want. Hey all, subscribe my channel. Okay, hey all, subscribe my channel. Hey all, please, right? I should request please subscribe my channel, right? Okay, so what is that over here? Controller message. Okay, so let's take this one. mm, okay, let's send post, right? Okay, so I should get message published, right? So I will show you. This is also here, string serializer and all. So it's producing the message. Now let's see, with the same command I will hit and I will show you, right? Okay, sorry, let's see from beginning and we're gonna see. Hope it will give. Let me maximize this one. Just see. Hey all, publish. Hey, sorry, hey all, please subscribe my channel, right? This is coming or not coming, right? Now let's see. Let's put again one another message and I will show you. Hey all, please comment in my video. Comment in my videos, right? Now let's see. Send message published. Just see. Hey all, please, sorry, maybe I need to run it again, that command. Just see. Hey all, please comment in my video. This is coming, right? Maybe it's taking some time to load that one. Let me push it again, someone. Hey all, please watch my videos. right? Now let's send it again, published. Let's see. I'm not doing anything. Let's wait. Mhm. Okay, okay. Hey all, please watch my videos. Right? We are able to see, right? All those messages are coming. So now we are publishing all those messages to this Kafka topic, right? So I have practically shown you that in this topic quick start event. If you see in this quick start event, if you see Kafka console consumer.bed and bootstrap server, we are given providing 9092 where our Kafka server is running, and what is the topic name? Quick start events, right? From this topic it will showing all those messages. Practically I have shown here, right? So this is that entire application for only Kafka Producer with Java configuration based, right? So in the next video I'll show you uh, Kafka Consumer, right? This is the producer, Kafka Consumer with Java configuration based, right? So if you are really if this video is really helpful for you people, please have some comment in the comment section, and what is that video you want me to upload, or uh, right, from you. So what do you want to me create some videos? Please write do comment in that comment section, and definitely don't forget to subscribe my channel, right? Okay, thank you for watching my videos.